welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a card. New Year card. I have some flowers and some letters that say Happy New Year. I made that already. So let's start. First draw flower pot. The flower pot is done. Now, let's draw stems. Green stems, green stems. Now let's stick flowers. Let's stick these white things up, see? Yeah. Stick it on the flower, like boom. Now let's put Happy New Year. But first, my favorite letter H. Now my Happy New Year flower card is done. Now I got these down on me. My mom gave me. Oh, let's get off. Wow, it's super nice. Your greeting card is done. Wow. Well, it's amazing. What do you think? Happy New Year, everyone. And remember to stay happy and rise up. Bye.